Anyways, welcome back to Channel News. Must have saw my first one. I'm gonna play from Comedy Dash. I don't know. First one I'm gonna play is Joker. Anyways, let's get going. Really bad. Oh, really. Anyways, let's keep going. Don't give up. God, feeling so bad. Oh my god. God damn it. I cannot talk because I'm trying to concentrate, that's why. So if you can't hear me that much, sorry. Oh, how did I do that? Oh. Can't believe, really? One more try. One more try and I'm not. Okay, again. Start do the first one real quick. Everyone could beat the first one, but not me. I beat the first one. Latex did it. If you saw his video, go check him out. Anyways, just nothing else to make, so I made this. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a Minecraft one, I guess. But yeah. What the hell just happened? Anyways, what happened to my game? Hold on. Is that fixed? What the hell just happened? Okay, let's just open it up again. Okay. Don't know what just happened here, but yeah. Pretty weird. Pretty weird, man. And that's it. And I die. Wow. I quit forever. Just kidding. I never quit. Maybe. But yeah. I'm so annoying. This kind. Jesus. It's my favorite. Concentrate. God damn it. God damn it. When you know you suck. When you know you suck. But this might be I said this might be a short video. I don't know. Cause it's dark. God damn it. Anyways, cause it's dark out. If I die one more time. But yeah, if it's dark out, yeah. And there it goes again. Piece of shit. What the hell's going on? Oh, what happened to music? The music's all cut off. They cut the music. And it's all messed up. Oh my god. I might as well just end it here, guys. I'm sorry. Try to do it again. Keep happening. Thanks for watching, subscribing, leave like.